So this is how you need to use. If you want to have this runtime, okay, directly, that is just a time, no dates and stuffs like that, you need to type double, you need to give the name to that variable, and then you need to put in this basically what I say, static property, okay, for your flexsim class model. Okay, so this is our third static property. What is the use of it? To get a time out of it. Okay, so we learned about three static properties as of. First static property will give you the current date and time when the model is stopped at this moment of time. Then we will be getting our next stop date time. So what is our next stop along with date and time? Then when you want to get out the only time, okay, next time, then this is what you're going to get in. Okay, you need to put model dot next time. Okay, and then we are going to do this greatly. I am just going to stop and continue, and let us have now the fourth property, which is going to be what? Let us understand that. Say if you want to find out, okay, the start date time. Okay, what is the model start date and time in the flexsim time? Then how will you write that? Okay, so similar, what you're going to do is, again, you're going to get date and time, right? So the double will go, date and time you're going to put in. Just put in here like start time, okay, and then here you need to change to start date and time, okay, and just apply that, just reset, just run this, and we'll just go that, and let us see what is my start time, and that is exactly at 8 a.m. 31st/3/2025. Okay, so it is going to basically return you a time when your model has started. Okay, so this is also one of the static property in this, which is our fourth static property, where we are going to get the start time for that particular thing. Okay, and now say if you want to get a statistical time, okay, what is the statistical time going to be? Again, that is going to be our fifth static property in model class. Okay, now the current simulation time with respect to when stats were last reset is what this is going to give us. Okay, now if the model has a warm-up time, this will return the difference between the simulation time and the warm-up time. Okay, so this is how it is basically going to work. Now let us find out or put this thing here. So I'm just putting this double, okay, stat, okay, time equal to model dot statistical time, which is available here. Okay, and this is our fifth property. I'll just put that here. We have this fifth property. Okay, and now if I just reset this and let us run this, okay, yes. What is this? Did you got that? Just look at this. So this is quite great and very much important. Okay, so what is this doing basically? It is going to help you get, return the difference between the simulation time and warm-up time. If your warm-up time is 0, it is going to be 0. Like if you haven't applied any warm-up time into the system, it's going to be taking it as a 0 there. So basically what you got is how much time your model has ran. So it has been ran for 21 minutes, 21 seconds, depending on your model units. Okay, so that is what it is going to say. And that is model.statistical time. Okay, now let me just make this warm-up time to 40. Let me reset this, let me run this, and let us see what is going to get, what we are going to get. Okay, so similarly, we are going to get the same, that is 21.21. Okay. This is how it is working. So basically it is nothing but you're going to get the timing of the details being applied. So how much time the model has ran is what you're going to get in the system by using model.statistical time. And it's a very important thing. We will understand that how much time your model has ran. Okay. Then let us understand the sixth property. Okay. And that is going to be what? Okay, and that is going to get a current time. Okay, so let us understand the current time. So let us rename this to current time. Okay, And the syntax for this is model.time, which is a sixth property. Okay, I am just resetting this, I am just running this, and let us see what it's the value for that is going to be. So the value for that is again the same, which is stat time. So the statistical time is again the same, a model time is going to be again the same, but remember the statistical time is what? If the model has a warm-up time, this will return the difference between the simulation time and the warm-up time. Okay, so the statistical time is nothing but time minus your warm-up time. Okay, remember that. And then if you want to get a current time, this is what the syntax you need to use, and that is model.time. So this is basically our sixth property in this stuff. Okay, and you're going to get multiple stuffs in there out of this. Then we have some more available properties, and which we will be understanding in upcoming further videos. So stay tuned in this journey of understanding Flexsim coding. Okay, and let us know your views. How was this video? What has to be improved? And I definitely know you're going to show us a lot of love with this new tutorials coming on your way on LeanSimCorp channel. So let us meet another grand interesting video for Flexsim coding, and in that we will understand remaining static properties for our class model. Okay, so that's all for today. See you soon in next interesting grand video. Bye bye.